I'm back! Oh, yes. Now I'm heading down. Hello, by the way. Again, I'm heading down to 10 acre, the 10 acre field. I know I haven't been out for ages, but hello everyone. To finish that path. And it's going to be the last hunt, only a quick one, with the 250. Because I have ordered the beast, a new machine. I have ordered the Garrett AT Max. Woo! With the, yeah, I know, why didn't you order an Equinox? Blah, blah, blah. I'm a Garrett man, I like the Garrett stuff, I know how it works. Oh, this is getting annoying. Yeah, so heading down there. Oh, blimey. So, I shall see you there. Give me a second to get there. Ooh, yes, I've stopped, obviously. A very warm welcome. What is that? Ooh. Reflection of the sun look on me. Ooh, that little dot on my face. Let me move around there. There you go. I must give a very warm Shilling King welcome to all my new subs who will be going across the bottom, while I say hello to a certain folk as well. So let's say hello to you wonderful people. Aaron, Mark, Max, Kane, Dawn, Robbie, Rose, Thor, Derek, Dave, Steve, Nick, Ben, Jim, Tom, Simon, Ken and or Yoda, or however you pronounce, whoever you prefer, John and Jackie, Sandy, Scott and Kimmy, Keith, Nathan, Mike, Charles, Liz, Garnet, Mick and Sal, Stan, Noel, Skint, Mr. Eastwood, Scouse, Lindsay, my little sister, Amelie, my little niece, John, Craig, Andrew, Dave and Mike, and anyone else who knows me. I thought I'd say hello because I haven't done it for ages. I love you all, and if I've missed you, I love you all anyway. So yeah, you're all wonderful, wonderful, wonderful people. Right, I'll keep walking now, shall I? I just thought I'd stop to do that really. Oh, bloody helicopters. I'm heading right down into the bottom corner of this field. The horses were there last time I came, but they've been moved up here now, bless them. So yeah, let's get down into that corner, because this path, the old path follows along here, look, as you can see. The old path is sort of right down the middle of this picture, and it goes right down to the corner of the field. Right, let's crack on. What I meant to say was, move it on. Well, I hope my phone can cope with this, because it is playing up a bit, but look at that. It's a snuff tin, and it's lovely. Singleton's Super Menthol. Cool as. Oh, I wonder if there's any snuff left in it. Moving on. Hey, sorry about that. My phone had an update waiting to be installed, and it just kept telling me that my phone was full and wouldn't let me record. So there's not that much in the way of footage, but I'm now sat waiting for the delivery of my beast, the beast. So yeah, I'll show you when that turns up. We can unbox it together if you want to. Right, catch you in a bit. Ooh, I appear to have a parcel. Whoa, let's open it and see what's in there. Well, I know what's in there, but yay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, what's that? 1 second. Oh yeah. Trouble is, turned up just before I need to go and pick up my daughter, so I haven't got that much time. So quickly, oh yeah. We got a hat. One hat. One Z-Link Pro pointer. Excuse me. Thank you, Raytons. Woohoo! And all the other good stuff. Look at that. Wireless. What's that? Coil cover. Well, there you go. Right, I shall leave it for now, and you can see it all built up shortly. Back in a mo. Yeah. So the headphones are on charge. The machine is built. Just need to get the Garrett out. 1 second. And there's the rest of it. So. That's it. All done. Little hunt, shout outs, stuff, unboxed. Not much of an unboxing, I have a really short time, but it's lovely. Can't wait to get out with it. Nice new hat as well, how's that? So all it is left for me to do is say thanks for watching, good luck and happy hunting wherever you're going and wherever you're doing it with. Don't forget to fill in your roles, follow the code, swear gloves, be safe and have fun.